Hey everyone! Today we're exploring the Naked Bee Oatmeal and Honey Triple Milled Soap, along with their Orange Blossom Honey Gentle Cleansing Shampoo. These products are packed with 70% certified organic ingredients like olive fruit oil, soybean oil, and sunflower seed oil. They are free from parabens, gluten, sulfates, artificial colors, and harmful chemicals, making them safe for your skin. The shampoo and soap are gentle yet effective, perfect for daily use without harsh additives. Plus, the Naked Bee includes a water-resistant, broad-spectrum zinc sunscreen lip balm to protect your lips from UVA and UVB rays. This brand is committed to cruelty-free practices and environmentally responsible ingredients made right here in the USA. Experience a natural clean that cares for you and the planet with the Naked Bee. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.